Jim is a safety manager for a manufacturing plant, and he has three goals: making the plant as safe as possible, ensuring compliance with regulations, and managing his PPE costs. Because he takes his job of keeping employees safe serious, he called Barton Supply and scheduled an Ansell Guardian assessment. The Ansell Guardian is a proprietary service to help companies to select the right personal protective equipment solution to improve their safety, productivity, and cost performance. Martin and Ansell walked Jim through 6 steps to optimize their safety, costs, and productivity. Data collection to understand the safety requirements. An in-plant assessment to establish a baseline and develop a plan. Testing the proposal against the baseline. Implementation of the new PPE. Train managers and employees on proper usage. Expanding the results throughout the organization and track the results. Jim was thrilled with the results. The Guardian program reduces injuries by up to 65%, generates cost savings of 24%, and decreased PPE usage by 26%. Contact your Martin Supply rep today for an Ansell Guardian assessment to help you operate better.